Hey everybody! Today we're going to be learning a new song on the recorder. Row, row, row your boat. But before we get to our music, we're going to review our fingerings for our recorder. Now remember, you start with the left hand on top and the right hand on the bottom. You're going to be using your thumb and your left hand, fingers 1, 2, and 3, but not your pinky. Your pinky just stays where it is and doesn't cover any of the holes. On your right hand, your thumb is going to be supporting the weight of the recorder on the back. You'll be using fingers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you have any more fingers left, I don't know what to do with them. Now, let's look at the first note that we're going to be using in Row, Row, Row Your Boat. High C. This one's pretty easy. We're starting out with your left thumb covering the back hole and your second finger. The fingerings, if your left thumb is covered, the back hole is covered, it's going to be shown to the side of the recorder. Got that? Moving on. G on treble clef. Again, your left thumb is going to be covered. Your first finger, your second finger, and your third finger on your left hand are going to be used. Now we start using our right hand. This is F on treble clef. You're going to be using your left thumb, fingers 1, 2, and 3. That's all on your left hand that are supposed to be used. And on your right hand, fingers 1, 3, and 4. You're skipping 2. Don't forget this. If you add an extra finger, it becomes another note. Now, we're going to do E on treble clef. This is your left thumb, fingers 1, 2, and 3, and on your right hand, 1 and 2. D below treble clef is your left thumb, 1, 2, and 3, and on your right hand, 1, 2, and 3. C on the ledger line below the treble clef is your left thumb, 1, 2, and 3, and your right hand, fingers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pretty easy, right? All the holes should be covered. So let's look at our music. Row, row, row your boat. It's in 6/8, meaning you're going to have 6/8 notes worth of stuff in each measure. And the 8th note gets the beat. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's clap the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? If you don't, you can practice that on your own. Now the first note, we're starting out with C below the treble clef. Remember this fingering? All of the holes are covered. Pretty easy. Then you move to D. This fingering is all the holes except for 4 on your right hand. Then to E. Then you're going to have E, back to D, back to E, and then moving on to F. Then up to G, and then C. Then it's easy after that because you've already played all the notes that are going to be in the piece. So you're going to go down the scale, C to G to E, and then back to C. Now this last part is the same rhythm as the third measure. It starts with G, then to F, then to E, then to D, then to C. If any of you noticed, that's right down the scale. If you're still having trouble with the fingerings, you can go back and look them over. Let's try and play through it one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, now get to practicing, because we're going to be doing this with rows and individual solos.